Question number 2. Find the average of all 3-digit numbers which when divided by 23 leave a remainder of 11, but when divided by 11 leave a remainder of 4. So let's say n is such a number which when divided by 23 it leaves a remainder of 11, but when this same number is divided by 11 it leaves a remainder of 4. So this is of the format dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here x and y I have assumed them to be quotient. So we need to solve the values for this. So this can be rearranged as 22x plus x plus 7 is equal to 11y. Taking 4 to the other side such that 11 becomes 7, and breaking down 23x as a number in the table of 11, 22x. Why this was done? Because if we look at the LHS, if we look at the RHS, this will always be in the table of 11, right? 11y will always be a number in the table of 11. So our LHS should also be in the table of 11. So I already broke down in a term which is already in the table of 11. And we need to find out if x plus 7 is in the table of 11. Now x plus 7 will be in the table of 11 when x is going to be 4. So if we put x is equal to 4, we will be getting n is equal to LCM of 23 and 11, that will be the eventual quotient into some quotient, plus if x is equal to 4, we will have 92 plus 11, which is going to give us 103. So we need to find the average of all such 3-digit numbers. Now 23 and 11, the LCM of that will be the product of 23 and 11, reason being that 23 and 11 are co-prime. So that is going to be 23 into 10 plus 23, which is going to be 253. So 253q plus 103 is the general format of all such numbers. Now, since we need only such 3-digit numbers, so when we put q is equal to 0, we will get the first number as 103. And we don't need, we don't have to find out all the values of q. If we put q is equal to 4, it will cross 1000, right? So we'll put q is equal to 3. By putting q is equal to 4, we will have a 4-digit number. So since we don't need a 4-digit number, we need to put q is equal to 3. So we will be having 253 into 3. And this will result in 759 plus 103, which is 862. Now, each of these values at 1, 2 will always be an AP, right? They will be arithmetic progression. So how to find out the average of an AP? All we need to do is take the average of the first and last. So if we take the average of first and last, this itself will give us the answer, which is 965, and divided by 2 will result in 482.5. Okay, so C will become the answer.